With beautiful scenery all around, a dock like this one gives you instant access to nature. This renovated dock connects to a boardwalk and gives the visitors a place to lounge or just enjoy the view. After being exposed to the harsh weather conditions over the years, our team went in for dock repair, which included partial decking and handrail replacements, as well as completely renovating the benches. This dock repair will last about 100 years and will not require constant maintenance.